Are you looking for a way to earn money online without having to create your own products or services? Look no further than affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a simple and effective way to start earning money online in just minutes. All you have to do is promote other people's products and earn a commission for each sale that you make. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and have knowledge in. This could be anything from fashion and beauty to technology and finance. Research affiliate programs that are relevant to your niche, such as Amazon Affiliate Program or Commission Junction. Join the affiliate programs that you have researched and start promoting their products. Create content that promotes the products you are affiliated with, such as blog posts, videos, and social media posts. Utilize different marketing channels, such as email marketing and influencer marketing, to reach a wider audience. Monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed to optimize your earnings. Provide value to your audience by recommending only high-quality products that you believe in. Build a relationship with your audience by engaging with them and responding to their questions and comments. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to start earning money online in minutes. By choosing a niche, promoting high-quality products, and building a relationship with your audience, you can turn affiliate marketing into a profitable business. So why wait? Start your affiliate marketing journey today and take control of your income and schedule.